everybody, and welcome to my latest video. Today I want to show you guys just a little intro to how you can start coding. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the search bar and type in codebunk.com. You're going to press new bunk on the top right corner and the display name, which is going to be your name. Now on the top left corner it's going to say Python. But for this, we're not going to want to use Python. We're going to want to use Python 3. So that's what we're going to do. Now, if we press run, as you can see, it's going to print hello world. Because we just asked it to print hello world. So for now, we don't want to print anything. So we're going to erase that right there. And we're going to make a little code that teaches you guys that, code that is going to ask you for your name, and then it's going to type in your name. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to write name equals input. Name equals input, and then it's going to ask the question. Quotation mark. Make sure that that's really important. So what is your name? Question mark. Before we do that, let's go back and we're going to put /n. Make sure the slash is the one that's pointing to the left, not this one. It's this one. Now that means that it's going to do an enter before you can answer the question. So now let's close that and press print name. So now, it's always going to print the answer to your question. So if we press run, we're going to do it twice. If you print your name, you're going to print your name. There we go. And it's going to print your name. So now we press run again, and we can print anything, and it's just going to write again. So we can write hello, and that's saying that our name is hello. So now, I'm going to teach you guys how you can print all the numbers from 1 to 100. So we're going to write for number in range, parentheses 1, 100. And we're going to put the semicolon right there. Oh, no, we're not this time. We're just going to, let's go back, Command Z, and that was good. So now we're going to write print number. So now it's going to print all the numbers. And if you don't believe me, just press run and you'll see that it's going to work. After we enter our name, of course. It printed all the numbers from 1 to 100. You just can't see the ones on the top because there's a lot. Now, if you want to print all the even numbers or all the odd numbers, that's a little bit different. So what you're going to do is type in start, comma, end equals 1, 100. Now, for number in range, start, comma, end, plus 1. You'll see why we're doing that later. Now, we're going to tab if number, and then we're going to put the percentage sign. So shift 5, 2 equals equal to. You have to put 2 equal signs right here or else it's not going to work. 0, print number, comma, end is equal to quotation mark, space quotation mark. If you don't think it's going to work, just press run and you'll see that we're going to, oh yeah, the only problem is right here, we forgot to put that semicolon. So now it should work. What is your name? Vila. Now right here, after all the numbers from 1 to 100, it printed all of the even numbers. So if you want to do the odd numbers, it's basically the same thing, just one tiny change. So we're going to copy and paste that, start a new one, and copy and paste it right there. So the only thing we're going to change is we're going to select the first equal sign and replace it with an exclamation point. So whenever you put exclamation point and then an equal sign, it's going to mean not equal to. So now we press run. And before we do that, if you want the computer to just ignore all this so you don't have to wait all that time, you just do quotation, 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 and then you end it right here, quotation, quotation, quotation. Now we press run, and as you see, it ignored the what is your name, and it just printed all of the odd numbers from 1 to 100. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!